Hi everyone, it's Mwaka here, your money guy, and today I'll be showing you how to add money to your crypto.com account and make your first purchase of cryptocurrencies. So as you can see over here, I've got a new account with a zero balance. When I come to accounts, it's zero. So we're going to be setting up our cash account over here so that you can add money directly from your bank account to your crypto.com account to buy your cryptocurrency. So you can just come here and come and press on open, or just come on the upper left corner, and then you need to come and press where it says cash to access your cash account. And you should know that for you to be able to add money from your bank account or using your MasterCard or Visa card, depending on the country where you are, you first need to verify your identity. So I've already done the identity verification on this account. Then after that, you just need to accept the terms and conditions. Then you'll be ready to make your first deposit. Then you just need to come and press on make a deposit. Depending on the country where you are going to have got different bank options. So you just need to choose your bank, the bank that you're going to be using to transfer money into your crypto.com. It is very easy and straightforward. So I'm in Turkey and I'll be sending money from like Zrat. So I will choose this option. Over here, you can see that I've been given a unique bank account number, like an IBAN. So all what I need to do is to go to my bank mobile application and transfer money into this account. Now, depending on the country where you are, maybe you're going to be given a general bank account and a reference code. Then all what you need to do is to copy the reference code, and as you transfer the money, you need to add that reference code so that the money can be traced like with your account. For me, this IBAN over here is only unique to me, so I just need any money which I send into this account, it will be credited to my account. So I will copy the account number, then I will log in into my banking mobile application and make a transfer to this account number. I will come back once I've made the transfer so that I can show you the balance. So you can see over here that make a deposit, it has been ticked, meaning that money has been added to our account already. So when I come back, and you can see that around 420 Turkish lira has been added already. So this is how you add money from your bank account to your crypto.com account using your bank account. Now that we have already activated it, next time when you want to send money, you just need to come back to cash, and over here you can easily deposit money by pressing on deposit, or if you want to withdraw money back to your bank account, you can just come and press on withdraw over here. Now that I've shown you how to add money to your crypto.com account, let me go ahead and show you how to purchase your cryptocurrencies. You just need to come where it says trade over here, then you come and press on buy. I will buy USDT. So USDT. So I'll just press on it. Then over here you'll be able to see the amount like in USDT. Just below the amount in USDT, you'll be able to see the equivalence to your local currency. So I'll be just buying 10 USDT, which is equivalent to 387. It's going to be subtracted from my balance over here. And this is just a one-time payment. And we are paying with cash, not crypto, since we don't have got any crypto yet. Then you just come and press on buy. And come and press on confirm down over here. You need to enter your passcode. So as simple as you have seen, we have been able to purchase 10 USDT. So you can tap anywhere to go back. You can see over here that in my local currency, the balance has reduced. And you can see that in my crypto wallet, I've got a balance, which is like USDT. This one over here, 10 USDT. So this is how you deposit money from your bank account to your crypto.com account, and also buy cryptocurrencies on crypto.com. It is very easy and straightforward. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, give it a thumbs up. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.